So this is how you fix the grades. I've gone to grading, traditional, making sure that I'm on P2 so that I don't finalize the grades in S1. Some of the students, like this young lady, who was actually in someone else's class, but I got the grade from them, so I just added the score. I don't know what the percentage was, but after adding the scores, making sure that this is selected so that I can post them. And then also going in and checking the dropped students. I don't know who this student is either. So I'm just going to put NG on this one. And there again, just verifying that it's P2 and not S2 or S1.